There's a powerful phrase that can change the course of your life in just 3 days. Everything I desire is already on its way to me. By repeating this affirmation, you activate the law of attraction, a universal principle that aligns your thoughts and energy with the things you want most. All it takes is 3 days of consistent practice, and you'll start to notice new opportunities, growth, and abundance flowing into your life. And let's look into how repeating these words can shift your reality and open doors for the things you desire. When you say, "Everything I desire is already on its way to me," you align your energy with the things you want to manifest. The law of attraction works by drawing to you whatever you focus on. So by affirming that your desires are already in motion, you create a vibration of abundance and readiness. This helps to shift your mindset from lack to abundance, allowing you to see more opportunities and possibilities that were previously hidden from view. The power of this affirmation lies in its ability to connect your energy to the vibrations of the things you want. When you affirm that what you desire is already on its way, you begin to feel more confident, trusting, and ready to receive. This opens you up to receiving your desires in both expected and unexpected ways. Repeating this affirmation for 3 days allows your energy to gradually align with the positive shifts you want to see. The more you say it, the more your thoughts and actions naturally begin to match the energy of abundance. You'll notice yourself taking inspired actions that lead you closer to your goals. Saying "everything I desire is already on its way to me" helps to eliminate doubt and negative thinking. Often our thoughts about what we want are clouded by fear, skepticism, or worry. These negative emotions block the flow of abundance into our lives. And by using this affirmation daily, you train your mind to focus on what you want rather than on potential barriers or obstacles. Over the course of 3 days, repeating this affirmation will gradually help dissolve negative beliefs. You will start to replace them with positive, empowering thoughts that reinforce your ability to manifest your desires. Instead of questioning whether it will happen, you'll feel more confident that your dreams are already in motion. Each time you say the affirmation, you strengthen your ability to stay positive and open to new opportunities. Releasing doubt and negativity allows you to align more fully with the energy of your desires, making the law of attraction work for you. The law of attraction requires trust in the process, and this affirmation is a powerful tool to help you develop that trust. "Everything I desire is already on its way to me" reinforces the idea that the universe is working on your behalf, even when things aren't immediately visible. This helps you practice patience, allowing you to trust that your desires will manifest at the right time. When you say this affirmation, you're reminding yourself that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. Even if you don't see the results right away, your trust in the universe's timing will keep you calm and focused on what you want. Trusting the process is key to making the law of attraction work for you, and this phrase helps you do just that. After 3 days of repeating this affirmation, you'll feel a stronger sense of patience, and you'll learn to appreciate the journey, trusting that every step brings you closer to your desired outcome. This shift in mindset allows you to continue working toward your goals without the stress or impatience that can sometimes interfere with manifesting. Affirming that everything you desire is already on its way opens your mind and heart to receive what is coming to you. The law of attraction works best when you are open and ready for the changes and opportunities that come your way. By repeating this phrase, you shift into a state of receptivity, allowing new opportunities to flow naturally into your life. This affirmation works by preparing you to notice opportunities that are aligned with your desires. Instead of feeling stuck or unsure, you become more attuned to the signs and synchronicities that are guiding you to your goals signals, and whether it's a new job opportunity, a helpful connection, or an idea that sparks action, you'll start to see that everything is unfolding in your favor. For the next 3 days, keep your eyes and mind open. You'll be amazed at how quickly opportunities begin to show up when you align your energy with this powerful affirmation. The universe is always sending signals, and now you'll be more attuned to them than ever before. Repeating, "Everything I desire is already on its way to me," can also help boost your self-confidence. This affirmation reinforces the belief that you are deserving of your desires and capable of manifesting them. As you affirm this every day, you begin to feel more aligned with your purpose and confident in your ability to create the life you want. The law of attraction is fueled by your belief in yourself. When you believe you are worthy of success, love, and abundance, you begin to act in ways that reflect this belief. Over the next 3 days, saying this affirmation will help you strengthen your sense of self-worth and empower you to take bold steps toward your goals. Confidence is key when it comes to manifestation. The more you repeat this phrase, the more you reinforce the belief that you are capable and deserving of your desires. This newfound confidence will propel you forward, making it easier to take the necessary actions to bring your dreams to life. By saying, "Everything I desire is already on its way to me," you align yourself with positive energy. The law of attraction operates on the principle that like attracts like. When you focus on positive thoughts and affirmations, you attract more positive energy into your life. This phrase shifts your mindset from lack and worry to one of positivity and abundance. Repeating this affirmation daily helps you cultivate a positive attitude, which in turn attracts more positivity into your life. You'll begin to notice that people, situations, and events that support your growth start to show up. Your energy becomes a magnet for the things you want to attract. As you continue this practice for 3 days, you will notice a gradual shift in your energy. You'll feel more optimistic, confident, and open to receiving all the good things that are coming your way. This shift will not only help you manifest your desires, but also create an environment of positivity that supports your growth. Saying, "Everything I desire is already on its way to me," strengthens your connection to the universe. The more you affirm this phrase, the more you trust that the universe is always supporting you. This affirmation helps you recognize that you are never alone on your journey and that everything you need is available to you. As you repeat this affirmation, you begin to feel more aligned with the universal flow of abundance. And this connection fosters a deeper sense of peace and clarity, knowing that you are in sync with the universe's plan for you. You are constantly being guided toward your goals, and this affirmation reinforces that belief. After 3 days of saying this affirmation, you'll feel a stronger bond with the universe. You'll trust that every action you take is part of a larger supportive plan, and that your desires are already on their way to you. "Everything I desire is already on its way to me" also helps you redefine success. Success isn't just about reaching a goal, it's about the journey and the growth that comes with it. By repeating this affirmation, you shift your perspective to focus on the abundance and opportunities already present in your life. This affirmation teaches you to celebrate each step of the journey, no matter how small it may seem. It's about acknowledging the progress you've made and recognizing that the universe is constantly guiding you toward your goals. Success is not a destination, but a process that unfolds with every affirmation you say. After 3 days of using this affirmation, you'll begin to see success in a new light. You'll appreciate the small wins and be grateful for every step forward. This perspective helps you stay motivated and excited for the future, knowing that your desires are already in the works. repeating, "Everything I desire is already on its way to me," helps you focus on what you want rather than on what you don't want. The law of attraction is based on the idea that where your attention goes, energy flows. When you focus on what you want, you draw more of it into your life. By using this affirmation for 3 days, you train your mind to focus on abundance, positivity, and success. This shift in focus allows you to stop dwelling on what's missing or what's going wrong, and instead directs your attention to what is possible and what you can achieve. This simple shift in focus has a profound effect on your ability to manifest your desires. The more you affirm that everything is on its way to you, the more your energy aligns with the things you want, allowing them to come to you faster. "Everything I desire is already on its way to me" encourages you to take inspired action. While affirmations are powerful, the law of attraction also requires you to act. Saying this affirmation helps you recognize when the right opportunities appear and gives you the confidence to act on them. As you affirm your desires, you'll feel inspired to take actions that lead you closer to your goals. These actions might feel effortless and aligned with your desires because your energy is in sync with the universe. Over the next 3 days, trust that your actions will bring you closer to your dreams. By the end of the 3-day practice, you'll notice a natural flow of inspired ideas and actions. This is the power of the law of attraction in motion, and it all starts with saying these simple words: "Everything I desire is already on its way to me." By consistently saying "everything I desire is already on its way to me" for 3 days, you activate the law of attraction in your life. This simple affirmation helps align your energy with your desires, eliminate doubts, and create a mindset of abundance. The more you say it, the more you'll start to notice the positive changes in your life. Trust in the process, stay open to the opportunities that come your way, and take inspired action. In just 3 days, you can begin to see the powerful effects of the law of attraction working in your favor. If you found this helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more insights on how to manifest your best life.